You were gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my.
Okay guys, today is day number 2. I'm getting ready to give you a little overview from the previous video from the haul of what it looked like. So inside I will put some clips of me doing different things, but now let's get busy. So guys, please excuse my voice because your girl has another sinus infection. So what I am doing right now is showing you everything that you saw in the haul, how everything was, a mess. Over the window, I don't know what happened, but blackberry bushes just came up like crazy. I had the old ferns from last year. It's so much of stuff, guys, that is in this video. You haven't seen the haul, please do look in the description down below and the haul will be there or at the end of this video. But please do watch this video. If you're new to my home, I would love for you to go and watch the first one, so you will see everything I did in the haul, what I have that I'm working with, and also what I'm going to be doing, and kind of like my overall what I want it to look like on the end. So I am showing you here everything, what things look like overall. So guys, please do go ahead and like my video. A thumbs up helps my channel tremendously. And guys, guess what? You are really going to enjoy the outcome, because you see what that chair is. You see all those blackberry bushes, honey. Your girl worked. I worked my little happy self off. Wasn't feeling good, but I worked. So guys, I'm going to let you finish looking at this, but it's a lot of stuff that's going to be changing. So you must be here on Saturday for the complete reveal. So never underestimate your girl, because I love power tools. I love yard tools. This is how I grew up, guys. Although it was just my sister and I, we did yard work. So here I am, weed eating. Doesn't it look different? OMG. So now here I am. I'm trying to power wash this down as much as possible. I just used the house cleaning. It did okay, but I have a huge rug that I'll be putting down, so hopefully that rug will suffice a little bit, because your girl just did not feel like painting like I stated. So everything still looked like a disaster, guys, but this is what it's looking like right now. And of course, I forgot to tell y'all guys, we have moved the gazebo and the table. Those got to be washed. This has to be moved. That's going to be on here. So, and I love this already. I love it. And those still have to be moved. So, guys, this is day number 2. I don't want to do a series, but I don't know. You might end up getting a series. And the wind just knocked those down. Okay, guys, so now I am at this point where I have weeded. I have this slab. I don't know if I want to paint it, or right now I've gotten overheated. It's a beautiful day, but I've gotten overheated. You know, I have lupus. I'm on a whole bunch of medicine that I'm not supposed to be in this heat. So now I'm gonna kind of like show y'all overview of what things look like. Guys, so you remember all of that stuff was all grown up. I have all that down, have the water hose out. So all of this stuff here, these and there, all of those weeds that was hid here. I'm gonna reuse this again this year. I don't know, I might spray it white. That flower bed still, I need it gone. That lattice has to go back over this, because that gas meter is just an eyesore. So I can't paint it, can't do nothing. So the best thing is to cover it. I have taken this down because I do have these. I have a lot of these. I was going to sell them because they're brand new, but I decided that I am going to use them back here this year. I already have a whole bunch of pillows. I got to move that one because that one has got to go over with the other one. I have already filled this up. Don't know if Amber Rosebush is gonna, I don't know what it's doing. So these are the patio chairs. This is the last year I probably used them. Remember, I got these about 2 years ago for free. So I was gonna spray them black. Amber said, no, Mama, for the pop of color, keep them white. So I will keep them white. I got to clean these down. This will get sprayed this year. That's gonna get sprayed. I already have a spray paint. So I brought my rubber rug from the front. I will be putting that. I got to get another piece because it's supposed to hook on both sides for the plant, but it popped, so I just got to redo that. That's the umbrella. This is the throwaway pile. All of this stuff right here, trash. So here, that is my bar. I'm indecisive. I really want to paint it white, which I really think I'm going to do. I was going to paint it last year and I ended up not doing that. So that still have to be totally clean and all. So now, guys, I'm getting ready to give y'all the complete overview of what it is now. And of course, I forgot to tell y'all guys, we have moved the gazebo and the table. Those got to be washed. This has to be moved. That's going to be on here. So, and I love this already. I love it. And those still have to be moved. So, guys, this is day number 2. I don't want to do a series, but I don't know. You might end up getting a series. And the wind just knocked those down.
Okay, guys. This is part 2 in part 2. So what we need to do now is go to Walmart to get spray paint. I need to go to Lowe's to get PVC piping. And I think that is all that I need to get. So let's go into Walmart. So see you at Walmart.
when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm safe.
Okay, guys, this is part 2. So therefore, stay tuned for Saturday, this Saturday, for the whole complete reveal. I have it still working, but I'm telling you, the more that I do, the more I love it. Not like it, but love it. So go ahead, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe, because you know what? The reveal is Saturday. And then after Saturday, you see where I am, my office? I am going to be redoing my whole entire office. And after my office, I will be doing our utility room. So I will be doing a complete makeover to our utility room. And I'm not sure about my closet yet. Not sure. But after I get all of this done, it will definitely be my office. So guys, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know what I was saying, you know, all of my videos. I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys. Bye.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.